Hello children, glad to meet you all again in Sheba Group online class. Children, do you remember our previous lesson? Yes, in the unit hobby I taught you do it yourself and the treasure trove. So do it yourself. Now you are all being a children of DIY kids, right? Yes, I hope so. And the poem, what is the poem I taught you? Treasure trove. What is the treasure, children? Yes, it is a hobby of reading a book. I hope everyone has changed your hobby as a reading a book. Okay, come on children, let's enjoy today's class. Children, today I am going to tell you a story from the lesson Anbu and the Fish, subject English. So everyone like to have a fish tank, no? I too love to have a fish tank in my home. So Anbu is like to have a fish tank, and what happens to the fish? Let us see the story, children. So character of Anbu and the fish. Anbu, Madan, Anbu's friend, and Anbu's father, and the three little fishes. Clear, children? Anbu, Madan, Anbu's friend, and Anbu's father, three little fishes. Come on children, let's get into the story. Anbu and the fish. Anbu was very talented in catching fish. He always went to catch fish with Madan. They usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Anbu also made fish rods using sticks and thorns at home. So thorns. Anbu was like to catch fish. He likes his hobby was fishing. So Anbu always go with Madan for fishing. Okay children, say they used dhoti. Dhoti na nama veshti. Veshtiயை வச்சு தான் அவங்க எப்போவுமே வந்து நெட்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த எண்டை வந்து மதன் பிடிச்சிப்பாங்க, அந்த எண்டை அன்பு பிடிச்சிப்பாங்க. ஸோ தே யூஸ் டு கேட்ச் அ ஃபிஷ் ஆன் த நெட். And then Anbu used to make a fish rod. ஃபிஷ்ஷிங்க்கு நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஃபிஷ் ராட் தேவைப்படும், ரைட்டா? அதுக்கு அன்பு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, யூஸ் ஸ்டிக்ஸ் அண்ட் தார்ன்ஸ். தார்ன்ஸ்னால் முள். ஸ்டிக்ஸையும் தார்ன்ஸையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி அவங்க ஃபிஷ்ஷிங் ராட் செய்வாங்களாம். யார்? அன்பு. Then they shared the fish equally. Unlike their friends, Anbu and Madan were always careful while fishing. They never went deep into the pond or river. Every Sunday, they would go in search of earthworms to use them as bait. They enjoyed searching for earthworms. Once the bait was ready, they could go for fishing. So after fishing, after having the fish, they shared the fishes equally. Clear children? On every Sunday, they used to go for a fishing. So before fishing, we need some worms as a food for fish. Really, we need it, nama. So Anbu and Madan first go for a search of earthworms. earthwormsனா என்ன? மண்புழு. ஸோ மண்புழு வந்து ஃபிஷ்ஷுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. ஸோ அன்பு அண்ட் மதனும் ஃபிஷ்ஷுக்கு earthworm தேடி ஃபஸ்ட்டு எவ்ரி சண்டே they used to go for a earthworm. They pick a earthworm. They were very enjoyed to search of earthworms. After getting the earthworms, they would go for a fishing. Clear children? On one Sunday, Anbu was not happy. They were able to catch only 3 fish. The fish were very small to cook. Madan told him to grow the fish at home. Anbu filled the jar with water and let the 3 fish into it. So on one Sunday, Anbu was not really happy. Do you know the reason, children? Yes, because they got only 3 little fishes. So it can't able to make us a food, is it? It is very small to cook. So Anbu was very sad. Madan gave an idea for Anbu. மதன் வந்து அன்புக்கு ஐடியா கொடுக்குறாங்க. வீட்டில் போய் அந்த 2-3 ஃபிஷ்ஷையும் என்ன பண்ணு வளர்த்து நம்ம வந்து இது பண்ணலாம், வளர்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மதன் கேவ் அன் ஐடியா ஃபார் அன்பு. ஸோ அன்பு ஆல்சோ கெட் த 3 little fishes to his home. So what he did now, he get a jar and fill with water. ஜார்னா தெரியும்லாமா, நல்ல வாட்டர் பாட்டில் மாதிரி இருக்கும் பெருசாக. அந்த ஜாரில் he filled with water and put these 3 little fishes into it. Then the fishes started to move in different directions. Clear children? Anbu thought the fish was hungry and dropped earthworms into the jar. But to his surprise, the fish did not eat. He saw their eyes and could feel their fear. So Anbu வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா enjoyed the directions, enjoyed the fishes swimming. So அப்படி இருக்கும்போது he felt that the fishes were very angry. So he dropped some earthworms into that bottle, but the fishes never take the food. He saw the fear on the eyes of little fishes. Next morning, he went straight to the fish jar from his bed. He saw only 2 fish in the jar. He searched for the fish everywhere. Then he saw 1 fish on the floor. Anbu was very sad and his father consoled him. In the evening, his father got a new fish tank. Anbu changed the fish to a new tank. So we all will be eager, Nama. So Anbu was eager to see the 3 little fishes in the next morning. But to his sad, one of the fishes missing. Do you know why? Okay. The air in that jar is not sufficient for the fish to breathe. So one of the fish has died. So he was so sad. But his father, Anbu father, consoled him. அவனை சமாதானப்படுத்தினார். பரவாயில்லப்பா விடுப்பா பார்த்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சமாதானப்படுத்தினார். So in the evening, Anbu father bought him a new tank. ஒரு புது டேங்க் வாங்கிட்டு வந்தார். So he put that 2 more little fishes in that. Then what happened? Let's see. The next day, Anbu rushed back from school to the tank. He saw that 1 more fish was dead and floating on the top. He started crying. His father said, "These fish live in the river and lake. Nature is their home. It is the best to let them free." So next evening when he returned, Anbu returned from his school. ஸ்கூல்லேருந்து திரும்பி வந்து பார்த்தா 1 more fish was also died and it is floating. அப்படியே வந்து செத்து அப்படி என்ன ஆகிட்டுருக்கு, மிதந்துட்டுருக்கு. அதை பார்த்தோன்னே அன்பு வந்து இன்னும் சேட் ஆகிட்டாங்க. என்னப்பா நம்ம வளர்க்குற மீன் ஒன்று ஒன்றா செத்து போதே நினச்சி ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்க. That time his father said, "Nature is the home for these fishes." கரெக்டாமா? அது வந்து பாண்டில் இருந்தது, குளத்தில் இருந்தது. ஸோ குளத்தில் இருந்த ஃபிஷ்ஷை வந்து நம்ம டேங்க்கில் போட்டு வளர்த்தா என்ன ஆகும்? அதுங்களுக்கு சரியான ஃபுட்டு கிடைக்காது, சரியான ப்ரீத்திங் இது கிடைக்காது. ஸோ his father advised him to set the little 1 fishes to the bank of the river. Now let's see what Anbu has decided. Anbu இப்போ என்ன டிசைட் பண்ணாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். He saw the last fish swimming alone and he felt bad. He took the fish to the same pond and set it free. So அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அந்த ஃபிஷ்ஷையும் கொண்டு போய் அழகாக பாண்டில் விட்டுட்டு பார்த்தா அந்த ஃபிஷ்ஷு ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, தாவி குதிச்சு போச்சு. From then on, Anbu and Madan bought a packet of puffed rice. மதனும் அன்பும் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, puffed rice puffed riceனா என்னம்மா, பொரி வாங்கிட்டு போய் and feed the fish. Feeding fish was their new hobby. So now Anbu and Madan changed his hobby. என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, ஃபிஷ்ஷிங்லேருந்து என்ன ஆச்சு, they have changed the hobby as a feeding ஃபிஷ்னால் டெய்லியும் அவங்களுக்கு போய் சாப்பாடு போடுறதே அவங்களோட ஹாபியாக வச்சுக்கிட்டாங்க. ஸோ என்ன சாப்பாடு போட்டாங்க, பஃப்டு ரைஸ், பொரி போட்டாங்க. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அவங்களோட ஃபீடிங் ஃபிஷ் ஹேபிட்டை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணாங்க. Children, let me ask you few questions from the story Anbu and the fish. Who were the friends, children? Yes, you are right. Anbu and Madan were friends. What happened to the first little fish, children? Yes, it died because it has insufficient of air to breathe. What happened to the second little fish? Why Anbu was very sad? Yes, this second little fish was also died and floated on the water because they have changed the water from jar to water tank. So it died of change of water. What happened to the third little fish? Yes, Anbu set the third little fish into the pond of water and feeding fish was their new hobby. Children, now we move on to the book exercise, book page number 114. First, choose the correct answer. Anbu was talented in catching dash, butterfly and fish. Tell me answer, children. Yes, you are right, it is fish. Every dash they could go fishing. Sunday, Monday, Friday. When they will go for fishing, children? As on Sunday they will go for fishing. You are right, children. Anbu got dash fish in this week. 1, 2, 3. How many fish he got? Only 3. So 3 is the answer. They use dash as bait. Earthworm, caterpillar, butterfly. So to feed the fish, what they use, ma? Yes, you are right. They use earthworm. And then they feed fish with dash, rice, puffed rice, groundnut. Which one is the correct answer, children? Puffed rice. Yes, it is called puri in Tamil. Okay, mama. Now we move on. Now we move on to the answer the following questions, children. What did they use as net? What did they use, children? Yes, they used dhoti as net. They used dhoti as net. Why was the fish floating on top? The fish died because of change in the water. So it floated on the top. The fish died because of change in the water. So it floated on the top. What was their new hobby, children? I am going to hide the answer. You have to say what was their new hobby? What was their new hobby? Yes, you are right. It is feeding fish was their new hobby. Now, children, identify the character or the speaker. He set the fish free. Who said this? He set the fish free. Who, ma? Yes, you are right. It is Anbu. Grow the fish at home. Anbu. Grow the fish at home. Anbu. Who gave an idea for growing a fish at home? Yes, it is Madan. He bought a new fish tank. Who, ma? Yes, it is Anbu's father. Dear children, I hope you all enjoyed the Anbu and the fish story. So, you also improve your hobbies and do some feeding fish as the hobby and try to grow your fishes in a tank with good air and good water, children. And see you next week in your other class. Until then, bye.